Welcome to our channel, where we're diving into the design of your dream tropical oasis. Picture stepping into your backyard and being transported to a serene paradise where lush foliage, sleek design, and ultimate tranquility await. In this video, we're exploring the design elements that bring the perfect tropical oasis to life right in your own backyard. From selecting ideal plants to crafting a modern pergola and patio garden, we're here to help you envision your own slice of paradise. Before we begin our exploration, we'd like to warmly welcome you back to Toruk Studio. If you're joining us for the first time, we invite you to subscribe for insightful and inspiring content on home and landscape design. Make sure to explore torukstudio.com for the most elegant and cost-effective products available online for home and garden improvement. Our design team handpicks each item in the collection, considering various design and functional aspects, and you can easily buy these products from your popular online stores. Transform your outdoor space into a lush and inviting patio garden, filled with tropical plants that thrive in your climate. From towering palms to colorful hibiscus flowers, choose a variety of species to create texture, depth, and visual interest in your garden. Consider incorporating tropical foliage plants like ferns and elephant ears, which add a touch of drama and lushness to your garden. Mix in flowering plants like bougainvillea and bird of paradise for bursts of vibrant color throughout the year. Enhance your oasis with a modern pergola, a striking architectural feature that provides both shade and style. Whether you choose a sleek metal design or a rustic wooden structure, a pergola adds depth and dimension to your outdoor space, creating an inviting retreat for relaxation and entertainment. And don't forget about captivating water features, which add an extra layer of tranquility to your outdoor retreat. From cascading waterfalls to bubbling fountains, the soothing sound of water creates a serene atmosphere, perfect for unwinding after a long day. Transform your backyard into the ultimate retreat with the design elements that turn your outdoor space into a luxurious tropical oasis. Subscribe for more inspiration and tips on creating your dream garden. Let your journey to paradise begin.